Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today I'll walk you through how to write a Regional Sponsored Migration Scheme, RSMS, employer letter. This letter is a crucial document that supports an employer's nomination of a skilled worker for a position in a regional area of Australia. Your letter should be written on your company's official letterhead, including essential details such as your company's name, address, and the date. In the recipient section, you will specify the Department of Home Affairs along with the relevant office address. The subject line should clearly indicate the purpose of the letter, mentioning the RSMS employer nomination and the nominee's full name. Your letter should begin with a formal salutation, such as "Dear Sir, Madam," to maintain professionalism. After that, write, "We are pleased to nominate nominee's full name for a position under the Regional Sponsored Migration Scheme, RSMS, at company name. Our company, established in year, operates in the industry sector and has been an essential part of the regional economy, contributing to local employment and growth. After conducting extensive recruitment efforts, we have identified nominee's name as the most suitable candidate for the role of job title based on their extensive experience, qualifications, and skills that align with our business needs. We are committed to providing nominee's name with full-time, ongoing employment at a salary that meets market standards and all regulatory requirements. This sponsorship aligns with our long-term business growth strategy and the regional development objectives outlined by the Australian government. We assure compliance with all visa conditions and workplace obligations, ensuring nominee's name will have a stable and supportive work environment. Sincerely, employer's full name, employer's position, company name, email address, phone number. Here's our sample Regional Sponsored Migration Scheme employer nomination letter. You'll notice how it clearly outlines your company's need for the nominated employee and the reasons for sponsoring them under the program. Additionally, it emphasizes your company's commitment to providing a stable, full-time position and meeting all legal and regulatory requirements. By following this format step by step, you can create a clear and professional nomination letter that effectively supports your application. This document helps the reviewing officer understand your business needs and demonstrates the nominee's suitability for the role. And with that, I end this video. If you found it helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on writing important immigration and sponsorship letters.